Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So, as I said yesterday, we're going to do a 50-cent coin roll hunt because we will hopefully have more success and find something interesting. Hopefully. You see on the end of the rolls here, this is the first coin out of the roll, and you can see that damage that's going on the roll there. That's purely from the coin rolling machine. And you can see it down the bottom here as well, and it always occurs on the at the ends of the coins. So if you find a coin that is in the middle of a roll and it's got that damage, you'll know that at some stage it has been on the end of a roll. So will this be an incused? No. So I'm just looking for any sort of cuds, extra cuds, foot cuds, tail cuds, those kind of things. Yeah, hopefully can find a decent cud. Still looking for a 2010 rotated. So just based on the feedback that you guys have been giving on what I spoke about yesterday regarding the 2018 coins, it seems from those who have been able to see the video and comment so far that it doesn't seem like that many are being found. So, which I'm quite happy about. Because it makes it interesting that there's low mintage coins. So, yeah, hopefully it stays that way. You never know that, the mintage figures might come out and they're a lot higher than what you sort of feel that is being found in circulation. And I think sometimes the mint holds back on some coins, and they may count them in the count. But not actually be in circulation. So, and I think that's happened a lot over the years. Even probably in recent times, where we've found probably in the last, well, I would say 2 years ago, there was a lot of. I'm going to keep this one. It's quite a nice one for its age, and. Yeah, it's always a good one. So that was the 1988 bicentenary coin. So yeah, it was the 1984 and the 1985 $1 coins were all of a sudden found in circulation a lot more so, and just beautiful looking coins as if they were straight from the mint. So, I'm sure that the mint did hold back on those coins, and yeah, it wasn't just localized coins being found; it was being found all over the country. So it it was quite interesting just sort of seeing that happen at that time, and I was able to get some nice coins for my sets because of that. So Another end coin with the same damage. So whenever you see that, you'll know that that's all that is. It's not a mint error. It's purely post mint damage. It's on a lot of the 50-cent coins, which is sad, really. It's sad that, you know, there's some good coins that come through that are damaged purely because of the rollers, and it really does take away from their value. We've got a first state coin. So that's the 2001 New South Wales coin there. Not too bad a condition, actually. Not too bad. But yeah, certainly a keeper. I was hoping we'd find a Federation state coin. It's just damage, being scratched up. No, nothing in that roll. Alright guys, so if you've gotten this far into watching this video, I'm going to do something that I've never done before, but I'm just interested to know if you've gotten this far. I am going to do something different. I'm going to actually give away this coin, okay? One person will win this coin. I'm not even going to write in the description that there is even a giveaway on this video. Okay, so if you're watching this video now, you're in for an opportunity to win this coin. I'm only going to leave it open for 2 days. Okay, so this video is coming out on Thursday night, and by Saturday night I will have a winner for this coin. Okay, so all I want you to write down is which coin this is. Okay, which coin this is, and you are in the draw. Alright, so leave your comment, and we're 10 minutes into this video, and if you're still watching, congratulations, because you've got an opportunity to win this coin, and I will send this coin your way. Oh, it's a fairly poor 50-cent coin roll hunt right now, but at least there's an opportunity for someone to get a bonus New South Wales coin for their collection. Oh, there's a Western Australian one. So we've got another one of those. Alright guys, that's it for today. So that's what we found right there. So we've got a 1988 bicentenary coin, nice condition there. We've got the New South Wales Federation coin and the Western Australian coin. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing your comments, and thanks for watching.